Let's get into this texture.
Cause we not out here looking lost and turned out.
Up with hope, down with dope. Do y'all remember that song? Up with hope, down with dope.
Mary, you super sure that this is gonna turn out to be a slay? Like, how you so sure of it?
It's really not coming at it like that, y'all. I don't even think she knows she prophesied. I'm so excited and I just can't hide it. Cover it, Jesus. Cover it, Jesus, in the mighty name of Jesus. If anybody can cover it, you can cover it. When we get off in the back and be like,
Sis, I got you. Your wig slide back. I'm telling you, I'm like that.
y'all listen, I was trying to put my husband on to Up with Hope, Down with Dope. Do y'all remember that song? Up with Hope, Down with Dope. When we used to go to visit Grandma in Mississippi, that song was one of the few songs that we could listen to because it had a positive message. Up with hope, down with dope. Do y'all remember that? This is a message from one to another. Do y'all? Tell me. Comment hope if y'all remember that song. Every time I talk about that song, nobody remembers that. I'm like, how y'all don't remember that song? Up with hope and down with dope. And but in order to believe it, you had to be drug free. Now we was drug free. I can't speak for nobody, but we was drug free because see the way Cookie was set up. So she was co-signing on the Up with Hope and Down with Dope because if she would have caught us with some dope, it would have been some smoke in the city. So we was singing that song loud and proud and long and strong when Mama was around, so she could know that we was down with dope. And we was up with hope. Anyway.
Let the church say subscribe.
What's up, y'all? I'm bringing y'all a slay today. And I know what you're thinking.
Mary, you super sure of that this is gonna turn out to be a slay? Like, how you so sure of it? You don't know if it's gonna turn out to be.
I'm gonna tell you why. Y'all know Miss Chrissy with a K? Yeah, she put me on this wig. Like, maybe about a week ago. She did a review on this wig and baby, you talking about she sold that wig to me, okay? It was as good as sold. See, because I don't even think she knows she prophesied. Miss Chrissy prophesied that the wig was gonna sell out. So you know what I did before any of the shenanigans happened. I went and got them. I actually got a couple of them. And when I got over there, it was low in stock. So I don't know, but it might get low again. That's all I'm saying, Outre.
Formerly known as Outre.
Make sure you check out her video. I'm going to link it in the description box. Big shout out to Miss Chrissy with a K. Yeah, girl, you sold that wig. Make sure you check that video out. Tell your cousin sent you over there. Now let's get into the details of this wig because I'm excited to try. Bam! This is from Outre. This is from their human hair blend line 5x5 lace closure wig, Kinky straight 24-inch human hair blend, okay? This is where we are with it. That 5x5 means you have 5 inches of lace across and 5 inches going back of closure space. So that's the parting space that you have. The lace is not ear to ear, okay? So you already know I'm gonna be leaving my ear tabs out. I even leave them out when there is ear to ear lace. So you know I'm gonna leave them out when it's just a little snippet. Bam.
Cause we not out here looking lost and turned out.
I'm so excited and I just can't hide it. I think I'm gonna use the Perfect Line Swiss today. Trying to open it real quick and I'm gonna let y'all see it and then we about to get to work. One thing she did say is it's not giving Kanekalon, but you can tell it's a blend. It's not human hair. It's human hair blend, which means it's synthetic hair with a mix of human hair, okay? I'm going to be using the silicone spray. I'm going to be using that to kind of, I'm going to see what it feels like before and then to kind of like, you know, soften it up a little bit if it needs it to that degree. Ooh, this color speaks to me. Speak to my heart, Lord. Y'all remember that song? Y'all remember going to revival back in the day, chat? It used to be so hot in those churches. It used to be hot, man. They would pass out those fans, those Martin Luther King fans, and you had to bend them up.
Cause that's how you get the best air distribution.
Oh, yeah. Come on, texture. Let's get into this texture right here. Let's get into this texture. I love like textured wigs, whether it be kinky straight, kinky curly, kinky coily. I like those textures. I love this color too, y'all. Bam. So you see that space, 5 inches across, 5 inches back. We got 2 combs off to the side with pride. one in the back, your elastic, and we have an adjustable strap. Now, we've talked about this elastic, okay? It's just a little, and it's not even really strong elastic. Let's just be honest about this thing. It's really like just a little piece of little stretchy string or something. It might as well be. It's really not coming at it like that, y'all. It's not gonna hold on to your wig like you holding on to God's unchanging hand. It's not gonna do that. Roll with it. Cut it off. Put your little adhesive on, whatever adhesive of your choice. I don't use glue, y'all. So a little spray, a little dollop of spray, you can do that and be done with it. Now, Chrissy said she don't do glueless because she has had problems with it sliding back glueless, and I definitely understand that. And she said, and you know, folk ain't gonna tell you that your wig's sliding back, but sis, let me tell you something. I will lay my hand on your forehead like you in the spirit, and I will guide you back to the back in the name. And for real, be praying that don't nobody know that your wig's sliding off. Cover it, Jesus. Cover it, Jesus, in the mighty name of Jesus. If anybody can cover it, you can cover it. When we get off in the back, I'm like,
sis, I got you. Your wig slide back. I'm telling you, I'm like that.
I can preach this if I want to. I don't know if I'm going to put any heat to it because what I don't want to do is to disrupt this texture. I don't know how thick it's going to be on my head. So we'll see. Yeah, let's go ahead and get this popping. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can join the family and join the fun. Let's do this.